Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, your favorite spot for learning easy and powerful trading strategies that actually deliver results. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most profitable binary trading strategies. And the best part? It's simple to set up, super effective, and perfect for both new and experienced traders. For these strategies, I am using only 3 indicators to keep it super simple. 2 simple moving average indicator and 1 parabolic SAR indicator. Set simple moving average for 9 and 14 periods, and parabolic SAR indicator set as default setting. But before we go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on new trading tips and strategies we share every week. Quick disclaimer: binary options trading involves financial risk. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Always trade responsibly and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Now let's quickly go over the trading rules of this strategy. When the 2 moving averages cross each other and the parabolic SAR dots appear below the candle, take a buy trade. When the moving averages cross and the parabolic SAR dots appear above the candle, take a sell trade. Don't worry about which moving average is on top. That doesn't matter for this setup. Use 15-second candles and set your trade expiry to 1 minute. Risk management tips: always trade smart. Stay calm. Don't trade with emotions. Risk only 1% to 5% of your capital per trade. Never risk more than 10% of your account. Start with a demo account to practice. Backtest this strategy on historical charts for better confidence. Also, don't forget to check the video description for full indicator setup, bonus tips, and helpful resources to level up your trading. Ready to watch this strategy in live action? Let's jump into a real trade example and see how it performs in the market. Let's go! All right, traders. Now let's break down this live sell trade using our strategy so you can understand exactly how it works in real time. As you can see on the chart, something very important just happened. First, the 9-period and 14-period simple moving averages crossed each other. This is our initial confirmation that a possible trend reversal is forming. Next, notice that the parabolic SAR dots are clearly appearing above the candles. This gives us our second confirmation, a strong signal to take a sell trade. Reminder: it doesn't matter which moving average is on top, we're only looking for the cross, followed by parabolic SAR confirming the direction. So right after spotting both confirmations, I entered a sell trade with 1 minute expiry while using the 15-second candle time frame. Now we just need to wait for the trade to complete and see the result. Always stay patient and don't enter trades without clear confirmation. Let the strategy do its job. And here's the result. We won this trade. Let's break down another sell trade I just took using the same strategy. The 9 and 14 period simple moving averages have just crossed. That's our first signal. The parabolic SAR dots are now above the candle, confirming a downtrend. We also got a strong red candle, showing selling pressure. Based on all 3 confirmations, I placed a 1-minute sell trade. You can see how the price continued to drop strongly after our entry. The SAR dots are still above the candles, confirming the trend is holding. This is a textbook example of how the strategy works perfectly when all signals align. And yes, we won this trade again. This was another great example of how well this strategy works when you follow the rules with patience and precision. We're going to wait patiently for the next perfect setup, because in trading, the right entry matters more than frequent entries. Avoid overtrading. Don't chase the market. Let the strategy guide you. And only take trades when all conditions are properly met. All right, traders, let's take a closer look at this sell trade I've just placed. In this setup, we had a perfect alignment of signals. First, notice the crossover between the 2 simple moving averages, the 9-period and 14-period SMA. That's our first confirmation to look for an entry. Second, the parabolic SAR dots have shifted above the candle, which tells us that the market could be entering a downtrend. And third, we got a strong bearish candle, adding extra confirmation for a sell. Based on this, I placed a 1-minute sell trade as soon as all signals were clearly visible. The price suddenly reversed, and we saw strong bullish candles pushing upward. The market didn't respect the sell signal and moved in the opposite direction, causing us to lose this trade. Sometimes, even when all signals align, the market can behave unexpectedly, and that's completely normal. Losses are part of trading. They teach us to stay disciplined, emotionally balanced, and focused on the long term. We didn't break the rules. We followed the strategy, and that's what really matters. Always remember, no strategy has a 100% win rate. Our goal is not to win every trade, but to stay profitable over time. The key is to stick to the plan, keep risk low, and stay patient for the next high-quality setup. In this moment, the market gave us a beautiful bullish opportunity, and here's why I entered a buy trade. First, we had a moving average crossover. The 9-period moving average, orange line, crossed above the 14-period moving average, blue line, giving us our first confirmation of a possible uptrend. Second, look at the parabolic SAR dots. They have shifted below the candles, which clearly signals a bullish trend. And lastly, we had a strong green candle, confirming that buyers are active. Based on these three confirmations, I confidently placed a 1-minute buy trade using the 15-second candle time frame. This is exactly how we apply the strategy. Wait for all signals to align, don't rush, and then take a clear, confident entry. Always wait for the crossover candle to close before entering. This avoids false signals and increases win rate. Now let's see how this trade closes. And yes, we won this trade. As you can see, after getting the perfect confirmations from our strategy, the price moved in our favor and the trade closed in profit. This clearly shows that when you follow the rules with discipline, the results will follow. Today, we saw both winning and losing trades, and that's the reality of trading. Not every trade will win, but the goal is to stay consistent and trust your strategy over the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment below your thoughts or questions, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all notifications so you never miss our latest trading strategies and live examples. Also, check out the video description. I've added full setup details, indicator settings, and bonus tips to help you get started. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep testing, and I'll see you in the next video with another powerful trading strategy. Till then, trade smart, stay safe, and happy trading.